Okay, a little update on the house, such as it is. And with the type of building I bought, turned out there was no way of latching it from the inside, so I had to get these eye bolts, as I'm pointing to you right now, and put them both above and below the spot where this sucker opens, and got an 8-inch eye bolt, I guess, I don't know what you call it. It goes right through these two jiggers, and that keeps somebody from opening things up on you from the outside. Of course, there's 10 inchers available. You might want to get a 10 incher. That's up to you. I got an 8 incher, and I got enough clearance there. And that's how I keep myself from getting walked in on when I'm inside going to sleep.